up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are once again back at Winter Park on the Mary Jane side. We can't seem to get away from the mountains this year. It's late April and we've got about 10 more inches of snow in the last 2 days up at Winter Park. It's just funny to think that last weekend we were in Evergreen doing Bergen Peak and there was hardly no snow up there. I mean, you could see some from like the peaks in the distance of like Mount Evans and a couple 14ers, but there wasn't any snow towards there. But then like the next day, the whole front range got covered in snow again. But I just want to say thank you guys again for watching these videos and commenting along the way through like all the ski season the last few months. It's been pretty cool to see like a lot of you guys liking the videos and commenting, so it just means a lot. I really hope you guys like the summer like hiking and trail running videos that are going to be coming at you, but I'll be definitely coming back for the 2021 season next year. I'm definitely going to be getting the Ikon pass and making some more videos for you guys. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to the guys that are commenting and like liking these videos. It just means a lot. Let's go ski! So we just did a couple laps off the Sunnyside Express and used the bathroom up here at Lunch Rock. So the snow's definitely holding up a lot better than a few weeks ago, which is awesome. Still a little icy and crusty in some spots, but I mean, for late spring skiing, it's pretty good compared to what you usually see. But I'm still so pissed I forgot my GoPro mount for my pole, so all I got today for you guys is some POV footage. But it's still fun to be back up here and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. But we're gonna go back out for a couple more runs. Just keep enjoying this day. Hopefully the sun comes back up, but can't complain. It's a good day. Let's keep enjoying it. Hey miss, can I ride up with you?
What happened?
I got lost. In a good way though. So right now we're riding up Panoramic Express, did a couple turns up here, and one thing that I think is hilarious that you guys should know that the girlfriend pointed out a while back is every time you see me doing one of these clips where like I'm talking on a ski lift or anything like that, up here my face like it's all normal and everything like that, but if you would notice what my skis are doing right now, you might laugh. So a few weeks back the girlfriend noticed that my feet do this when I'm talking to the camera. So the whole time I'm talking, my feet are doing this the whole time and she won't stop making fun of me for it. But it's kind of funny just to think about. So I just thought you guys would enjoy that. And yeah, that's about it. Otherwise, let's get back to skiing. gonna close it out for us today up here at Winter Park. Still a really fun day, and I mean, like I said, when you can come up here in the middle of April and like close to May and still ski and have some pretty good conditions, it's pretty nice. It's been a fun winter. It's been really good to come up here and ride and to be able to record all of my videos up here and like show you guys kind of the conditions from like a week-to-week basis. It has been really fun, and I can't wait to do it again next year for you guys. But if you like this video and you want to see more like it, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching, and have a great rest of your day.